Hi, my name is Timur. I currently reside in Warsaw, Poland, and in this video I would like to present my final project for CS50P course. Uh, my project is a Black-Scholes option calculator, a Python program that calculates the theoretical price and Greeks of a European-style options using the Black-Scholes formula. The model I used was developed in 1973 by economist Fisher Black and Myron Scholes, and it's one of the most widely used tools in quantitative finance for pricing options. And here how it works. So in the command line, we need to provide the ticker of the underlying that we want to price the option on. I will choose NVIDIA stock. And then we are prompted for the options type. Here we need to input either call or put option. Then we need to input the time to expiration in months as an integer. Next, we're prompted for the option strike price. I will choose 180. And as for the risk-free rate, I will choose 4% as this is currently the risk-free rate. And once these inputs are entered, the program pulls the stock's real-time price and the dividend yield from Yahoo Finance using the following options as the get stock data, get stock price, get dividend, as well as volatility. And further, it uses the formula for calculate Greeks and uses Black-Scholes formula to output the price of the option. And then computes the key risk metrics such as delta, gamma, vega, theta, and rho, which are the Greeks of the option. And these are the theoretical option price along with all the Greeks, and the implementation uses the actual Black-Scholes equations. So there are no pre-built libraries used for pricing or Greeks, so all the math is done manually in the code. And now I would like also to show you what happens if we provide some erroneous input. Let's say for ticker, I will just input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we see an error, no data found, symbol may be delisted. And we need to input the ticker once again. So let me now choose maybe Microsoft stock. And let's say we want, we don't input call, but something like call LLL. And we are reprompted, and we see also a hint that options type should be either call or put. So let's input now put maybe. Choose options time to expiration in months. So let's say we input here 3 months instead of just 3. And this also works. For options strike price, let's input something like 300. And we see a message that option strike should be specified as an integer or float, and we see some examples. So let me input this as an integer, not as a word. And for the risk-free rate, it's also possible to input the percentage in the following format, so 4%. And indeed, the program works. Here you may see that the price and the Greeks are very small. It's because I input 300 and the current Microsoft stock price is much higher. So for the closing part, I'd like to tell that this project helped me better understand how financial models are implemented in Python and how they connect to the real world data. So thank you for watching.